Introducing the 2023 Opel Mokka Elegance-1.2 100ps-pet-6sp door in eye-catching red. This stylish MPV is equipped with top-of-the-line comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and more. With a luxurious interior and sleek exterior styling, this vehicle captures attention on the road. Plus, with benefits like ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit Opel.